The truth emerged for Li-Cycle Holdings Corporation. Blue Orca Capital Report. An Enron-like mark-to-model accounting gimmick. 5.6% stock loss. Li-Cycle Holdings Corporation, formerly known as Peridot Acquisition Corporation, ticker symbol LICY. Investors, did you purchase or otherwise acquired the publicly traded securities of the company between February 16, 2021 and March 23, 2022? Did you lose money? Jakubowitz Law announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed in the Eastern District of New York on behalf of investors who lost money on Li-Cycle shares purchased within this timeframe. You may be entitled to recover your losses. Contact Jakubowitz Law today by clicking the link below. According to the Li-Cycle lawsuit, defendants made false and/or misleading statements and/or failed to disclose that. Jakubowitz Law Firm represents shareholders who've been a victim of securities fraud. 1. Li-Cycle's largest customer, Traxys, is not actually a customer, but merely a broker providing working capital financial to the company, while Traxys tries to sell Li-Cycle's product to end customers. 2. The company engaged in highly questionable related party transactions. 3. The company's mark-to-model accounting is vulnerable to abuse and gave a false impression of growth. 4. A significant portion of the company's reported revenues were derived from simply marking up receivables on products that had not been sold. 5. The company's gross margins have likely been negative since inception. 6. The company will require an additional $1 billion of funding to support its planned growth, which is a figure greater than the company raised via the merger. 7. As a result, defendants' public statements were materially false and/or misleading at all relevant times. If you suffered losses in Li-Cycle, you have until June 20, 2022 to request that the court appoint you as a lead plaintiff. Your ability to share in any recovery doesn't require that you serve as lead plaintiff. Don't miss the deadline, submit your information today. This video may be considered attorney advertising under the laws of your states, and prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes. Jakubowitz Law is waiting to hear from you. Thanks for watching, click subscribe, and be notified of another securities announcement.